Hey there, it's Carrie Lane from Zarmoney Academy. A sales order is a form that settles an agreement between a company and a customer. A sales order can handle back orders and partial invoicing, so it is useful when a customer orders goods or services that will not be available immediately. Service-based companies can use a sales order internally as a work order, as sales orders do not affect inventory. So, what is a sales order and how does it work? A sales order is a document you can use in Zarmoney to track a customer order that is in-house and hasn't been shipped yet. The main takeaway here is that the customer makes the order and prepays the order before they receive the supplies or service. The order confirms that the customer has paid and is owed a specific product or service. Here's a detailed example of how it works. Let's say you have a client that is shopping for a variety of flooring materials and tools at a flooring store. To create that sales order, log into your Zarmoney account to access your dashboard. First, go to the Sales option on the menu drop-down to Sales Order and click the plus sign to create a new sales order. Once you're on the screen to create a new sales order, click the magnifying glass to select the customer you've already added. To create a new customer, click the plus sign. Let's create a sales order for our new customer, Keisha's Florists and Gifts, by adding all of her details. Zarmoney can send invoices directly to your customers if you've linked an email address or fax number to their customer information. To do that, enter her email address and fax number here to avoid having to manually enter in the billing and shipping address on each individual sales order later. Enter customer billing and shipping information here. If you want to continue adding customers, click Save and New. In this case, we're just adding Keisha, so we're going to click Save and Close to continue filling out our sales order. From there, choose an item to add a description, add a quantity and verify your prices, and add more line items to complete your sales order. Once you're done, double check to make sure everything is correct, hit Save and Close to complete your sales order. Notice the icons at the top right. Hovering, we see options to email or print our sales order. To print your sales order as a PDF, click Print. In this case, we're going to email our sales order, so we will click the email icon because we've already included an email address. It populates here, but if you didn't include it, you can always add it. Now you can always blind carbon copy someone, like your office accounting department, by entering the email address in the BCC line. After you've proofed everything, just click Send to deliver your sales order to your customer. So it's perfect. We just sent a sales order to our customer. In this module, you learned how to create a sales order, add a new customer, and send a sales order to your customer. For more training tips, check out our videos in the Zarmoney Knowledge Center. And for more information regarding Zarmoney, visit our website at zarmoney.com. Until next time, I'm Carrie Lane, and we'll see you where it counts.